Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see Android's phone battery might be draining fast and the easy fix for it. So to do that, let's head over at first to the settings and here go to the battery. Now here you'll find the background usage limits or the background apps that is running. So tap on the background usage limits and see the apps that is using in the background. So here you'll find the unused apps. To sleep, you can turn it on, and as you can see, the option of deep sleeping apps. Your phone will automatically set to deep sleep each and specific app to deep sleep because there might not be on use for a long time. So for the battery consumption lower, to do that, your phone would automatically put it to deep sleep. And the second thing you can try is see which of the background apps are taking more battery. You can turn them off from here, check them off, and turn on the background usage limit from here one by one. And the second one you can try is using the power saving mode. So if your battery is draining too fast or the charge might be 10%, 12 or 15% on that. So in the specific moment, what you can try to keep your battery from the drainage, you can turn on the power saving mode in here. So once I tapped on it, as you can see, it will limit the CPU speed to 70%. Turn off, it will display the turn off, decrease the brightness by 10% and set motion smoothness to standard. You can also limit apps and home screen. So it will allow only selected apps and limit the background activity and turn off the edge panels and turn on the dark mode too. So yeah, this is how you can just fix your Android phone battery draining fast. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.